guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking back onto my video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Kindly, please, pretty please subscribe to my channel. I look so crazy, but just because I haven't done my Saturday, stima zimepotea, and I want to do my lashes. I want to do a DIY of me doing my lashes. So these are the lashes that I'll be doing. This is 10 millimeters, so I feel like I should have gotten naona, but it's 10 millimeters. I feel like I should have gotten 12. Natural lashes are long, so I don't know if they'll be the same size or this will be longer. I hope they'll be longer. And yeah, I'm about to do the DIY. I hope that's what it's called. So I have, let me get everything that I need closer to me so that I can show you. So I have my small mirror, lash glue. If you want to do a DIY on you doing your lashes, this is the lash glue you need. Usiweke any other glue. That's if you want them to last longer and to stick. So this is the glue that I'll be using. I have my, to brush up the lashes, I have my tweezers to grab the lashes, and I have this to like get them right, like after I'm done though. So I hope you enjoy this video as I do my lashes, and like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate you all so much. Returning, new, I love you and appreciate you all so much, and I'll be trying to post as much content as I can. Okay, I feel like I've been stagnant for so long, right? I need to focus. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me set everything up, then show you what I'm doing. Okay guys, so this is the best angle I could get, and I hope it's not noisy outside because it started playing outside. I'm opening up my lashes. Yeah, and I'll also be doing I'll be putting lashes on my sister. So I want to show you, because I don't think I'll show you the whole process. I'll just show you like mwanzo. So it's okay, so I'm placing my mirror. Okay, so this is your glue. Take your glue, then you should know that the glue dries up really quick, so usiweke mingi, unaweka tu kidogo what you're using for the moment, because it will dry up really fast. Then comb up your natural lashes. Okay. Then here are your lashes. What you need to do when picking them, you need to do this so that you can pick them, because they also have glue here. So here's my one lash. Don't know if you can see, kadogo. So pick it up with your tweezers. Make sure you hold it the right way. Yeah, like this. Okay, so here's the lash. Don't know if you can see it, but it's really small. Then here's where I've placed my glue. Just a little bit. Don't overdo, and make sure you're holding your tweezer the right Wait. Like that. Then lift up your eye so that you can see where you'll be placing it. No, I had placed it the wrong way, guys. It's okay to repeat as many times as you can, and make sure wherever you're placing it, you're comfortable when blinking. We don't want to have lashes, and you can't blink, okay? So dip in the glue, dip it, then place. You see? Don't know if you can see it, but it's there. Then go to the second one. And ensure that you remove the glue that's there from they are also, they have glue here, so unatoa that clear glue, okay? Then dip and place it next to the previous one. Boom. It's crooked. It's not that hard, but you need to be careful, okay? Dip just a little bit and place it here. Let me tell you guys, should have bought longer lashes, because these lashes literally the size of my natural lashes. So let's say I'm kind of struggling, but it's not. Boom. I've got really long lashes. I don't know if you can see them, but they're like same size. So the third one, you pick then dip. Still going. I've placed 3 so far, so let me place some more, then come back to you guys, okay? Guys, so far so good. This is how my eyes look. Ooh. It ain't easy. Still has to be rudy though. At least that's a good thing. See how I'm grabbing it? I feel like I cannot see. Because I've looked at the because I've looked at the light. Let me put on. It's ruined. Let me play music. So then when you
finished, I'm all about my business and ready to save the world. You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain.
So guys, this is the final look. Like I said, these lashes are like the same size as my lashes, so that's why they're not so visible, but they're there. I feel like there's a gap here. Still gotta fix this. I don't like it. I like this one more. I literally don't look like I have lashes until I do this. There's a gap here. Let me fix it. Guys, so here is the final look. I love my lashes. They look so good. I tried recording as I put them on, but the video didn't come out well, but I'll try and place the clips that look like I'm doing something, okay? Because I realized like my face was too close to the camera. So here is my final look. Oh, I love them. I know I don't look like I've got lashes because this I didn't want to put them really close to each other, like volume, but like the same length as my natural lashes. That's why they aren't that visible, but you can tell. You can tell. I hope you can tell when I close my eyes, because I can't see myself when I've closed my eyes. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So let me see what else I'll add on here, because I think it's really short. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe tomorrow I'll add some more, because right now I don't want to mess it up, because I want to let some areas dry up first before but so far I love them. I love them. Anyway, guys, bye.
Now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I feel inside. I'm reaching out for help, you got me in a riptide. You call me crazy now, but you don't